Hello, everybody. How are you? I hope everything is fine. Well, today's lesson is about a group of new vocabulary. You remember that in another lesson I told you about the words ending in logi, sociology, which means the discipline or the major in which, or the science which deals with socio, for instance, society or psyche. This is important. As I have always told you, it's a very good idea for a language learner to learn new vocabulary to add up to the repertoire, to your brain's storage, and of course to learn grammatical rules in order to, you see, these two are hand in hand. They will enable you to be a better speaker, a better understander, a better learner of that particular language. In our case, is English. Today's word group is the set of words ending in therapy. And therapy means treatment and curing, let's say, helping somebody becomes better, like maybe physically, maybe mentally, or maybe both. All right, therapy. And please remember, as always, I want you to use this suffix therapy, and you can add it to almost any word that you like. For instance, maybe it just occurred to me right now, you can have cash therapy. Means maybe some people, if they just touch or smell cash, they'll be better. Or burger therapy. Okay, so maybe I don't know, any vocabulary, and then you can be sarcastic or at least ironic, which is interesting. Remember, again, as I always mention, language is something that you can use. Okay, so it's not that you just follow language. No, you can manipulate language. You can use it the way you like, as far as you stick to grammatical rules, and of course, when it semantically means based on the meaning, when the meaning can be based on the context, can work out, you're the winner. And you can create. Again, as a language learner, as a language user, you can, anybody can make new constructs, new structures using words, and then which is new in the whole history of that particular language. In our case, English. All right, so let's stick to today's lesson, which is words ending in therapy. So what I'm going to do is to give you the word and of course the definition in English. Definition, as we had before, means you explain a word using other words. And this is a very good technique in order to, first of all, learn what that particular word means, and then this helps you with your fluency, how to put correct words, how to connect words together correctly and fast as almost native speaker like. It's a very good idea. Okay, so I will show you the words on the screen. I will give you the definition and 20 of them. And then I'm not going to forget, I'm going to give you the example of Khomeini and Oftabe, and we'll have a recap. Okay, so let's see the words together. Okay, so we have English words ending in therapy. The first one is psychotherapy, treatment of mental, emotional disorders by psychological means. Then we have physiotherapy, treatment to restore, maintain, and make the most of a patient's mobility and function. And then we have hydrotherapy, use of water for pain relief and treatment. Hydro means water, okay? So then we have chemotherapy. It is taken from chemistry, means treatment of disease, especially cancer, using chemical substances. Then radiotherapy, use of radiation to treat diseases, especially cancer. Then music therapy, use of music to improve mental and physical health. And speech therapy, treatment of speech and communication disorders. Then aromatherapy. Aroma means nice smell, so use of essential oils from plants for healing.
Then dance therapy, use of movement and dance to support emotional, cognitive, and physical integration. And light therapy, exposure to artificial light to treat mood disorders like SAD. And exposure therapy, gradual exposure to fears to overcome anxiety. Then we have gene therapy, use of genes to treat or prevent disease. And crystal therapy, use of crystals to heal energy imbalances. And then hypnotherapy, use of hypnosis to help with mental or physical conditions. Pet therapy, use of animals to help people recover or cope, particularly the elderly. Nutritional therapy, use of diet and nutrition to treat health conditions. Adventure therapy, use of challenging outdoor activities as a therapeutic tool. Massage therapy, use of massage to relieve pain and tension. Bibliotherapy. Bible means book, so use of reading materials to help cope with emotional issues. And finally, group therapy. Psychotherapy conducted with groups rather than individuals. And that's it.
Welcome back. I hope you like the new vocabulary ending in therapy. Try to use them and try to make the new ones. And okay, as always, I'll give you the Khomeini example. For instance, you can say, apart from drinking human blood, Khomeini has always been under after therapy treatment. Yeah, it's always been like that. That's why he lived for almost a century, bringing misery and annihilation to Iran. Okay, at the end of this lesson, I, as always, give you a recap of what we talked about. Try to practice them and learn them better. Looking forward to seeing you soon in another lesson. Until then, goodbye.